We have imported here California state boundary. Let's reproject this. Go to the processing toolbox, then vector general, and double click on the reproject layer. In the input layer drop down, select the layer we want to reproject. Since we have one layer, it is automatically selected. Now click on target CRS, select CRS button. Here are the CRS options. From here we can select the CRS. We can also search the CRS from this filter. Let's search for select the projected and Elber's equal area. We will use 3310 EPSG CRS. This is usually used for California. Let's click on this and go back to the settings. You can select that our EPG 3310 is selected, and in the reprojected layer, let's show our output path. Let's write the name. And save as type. Let's click on Shapefile and save. Now click on Run. Close. Let's see the CRS information of California reprojected properties. We can see that our CRS has been changed. Okay.